Hello friend, want to get started with TestCase Studio Pro as an individual plan? This is very simple and straightforward. Let me show you how you can get started with this. Just go to SelectorsHub website. Here under products, you can go to this TestCase Studio product here, or you can directly click on here. So here you can see all the details and everything is mentioned. First, like you can, if you want to read about this, you can read it here. Installation, you can install it here, and then how to get started, you can follow these simple steps here. So first step is like click to add pro version in your browser, so you can add this in your browser. So let's add this, add extension, and once it is added you will see it here. Let me close this, and you will not find by default the logo here, so you can pin it to toolbar. Now if you click here, it will open this window and asking you to enter the email and password. So how you will get that? For this you will have to take the subscription plan. And how you can take that? So now after doing this installation, you go here, like compare and take the free trial, and the like you can choose the plan, so you can take the free trial as well. Either you go it directly, like there is a multiple ways I have provided here. Directly you can compare from here, or you can go here subscription plan. So you, like if you're coming from India, you can take the plan from here. If you're coming from outside India, you can check those plans here. This is there is no difference in much difference. This is we have to create because of like currency, like in India INR, and then outside India in dollar it used to accept. So here you can, let's say if we are coming from India, we can directly click on here, and now you can choose any of the plan from here. So like simply, let's say if you want to go with monthly, you can take this, you can take this one, or else you can take this annual plan as well. I will highly recommend for the annual plan, because it's just like 50% off you will get in this. And of course you will get a 7 days free trial. So after like 7 days, before getting your free trial ends, you can write it back to me, and like if you want, you can get your subscription plan cancel if you don't want to continue, and you will not be charged anything. So definitely take the free trial. So let's say for an example we want to take this plan, so you just click on this, select. It will take you to the payment page where you can make the payment, and here you can take this, and you will get the 7 days free trial. And all after taking the subscription, you will get the user ID, and means basically the email ID and password in your email after taking the subscription. Before taking this subscription plan, if you want to compare the like what all features are there in the free version and the premium version, so you can go here, pro plans under, and here you can see this, click on this, and here you can compare all these plans, that what all plans are what all features are there in premium version and the free version, and what all benefits are there, what all things you will get it in, so that you can see it here. Okay, so we will go here and make the payment. So let me make the payment here. Great. So after making the payment, in the thank you page, you will see something like this, like after your trial get ended, after free trial get ended, then you will be charged. Before that you will not be charged, hardly like I guess 1 rupees, or some like whatever currency yours will be in that, just to verify the card it will deduct. Otherwise it will not deduct the full amount or anything from your card until the free trial is not ended. Then you will see, check your email. You must have got this kind of email that your TestCase Studio Pro account has been activated, and whatever plan you have taken, and there you will find the user email and password will be there in that. So now you have taken the plan and you are all set. You have already installed TestCase Studio. So that's pretty much done everything. Just only one last step is left, that you click on this TestCase Studio, and here you can enter the credential what you have received in your email. So let's enter those credential here, and you must be able to log in here. So now we have added the credential here. After entering the credential, just click on login here, and boom, you are all set. The TestCase Studio is ready in your system, TestCase Studio Pro. and you can just simply start your like, if you are testing something, you can start your testing, uh, anything you are doing, so you can just start performing those things, and it will start recording and everything will be working fine. And then for the detailed tutorial, like how this test case studio works and what all features are there, I would highly recommend you please check out the detailed video tutorial so that you will understand all the features. Then here, if you want to check anything related to your plan, so you can click on this profile. Here you will see the profile and your date, everything. Like, what if you want to change the password, you can change and update the password here from you. If you want to log out, or if you want to change the plan, you can check out all these details here. Next time onwards, you will not have to like log in again. You close this, you click on test case studio logo, it will open, and that's how it will work flawlessly. So that's how pretty much you are all set now, and then you can get started. If you face any problem, feel free to write back to me anytime on SelectorsHub@gmail.com. And you always have the live chat support. You can directly connect with me here on Slack channel, or you can here you will have always have now the live chat support. So feel free to reach out to me if you face any issue, any problem. I'm always here. And more every day you will see that more things will be get updated here, and more tutorials and more content I will be keep added updating here, so you will get all those things here, so don't worry about that. So I hope you are enjoying the test case studio pro. Do take the free trial, and you will definitely love this. Thank you so much.